G'day guys, welcome back to Shane's Shed. Today, going to be on the Suburban again. Going to be putting back together some of the speedo cables that I was playing around with on our last, on one of the last videos. So along with that, I pulled some of the dash apart as well while I was taking the instrument cluster out. So I'll be putting a few of those things back today. Mainly some of the air conditioning ducting. There was a few hoses that were a little bit how you going, so yeah, we'll get into those and fix them up so they actually work as they're supposed to. Alright guys, so you're looking at the back of the Turbo 400 there at the moment. So this is on the left hand side. We're just going to throw our speedo gear back in, and we're going to have to change this driven speedo gear because just to get the speedo running correct. So I'm going to have to pull this out again soon, but for the meantime we're just going to run with this. Now I still haven't figured out exactly what's going on with the cable way I'm losing drive, but in the meantime I'm going to put this all back together and sort of run with it for a bit and see what happens. So this little clip just bolts in at the top here, just retains the whole speedo drive assembly. Just rotating that around to line it up. And my particular application here just uses this 90-degree box. There we go. So this short bit of cable just joins up, so just near the gearbox, rather than having one long bit of cable. I'll try and do this one-handed because it's about all I can fit up in that area. I think that's got it. Yeah, it's got it. So once again, a cable tie is just going to do the job of holding a few things together. If I can. Because this has been converted from a right-hand drive to a left-hand drive, all the factory airbox has all been modified and hacked up. So here's all our outlets for all the front vents. This is where I've got to whack some of these hoses back on. It's nothing major, but just a little bit fiddly. So you see some of all these factory vents have all been pretty well modified and hacked, and yeah, but it works, and it's all sort of hidden behind the dash. So I might just tape that up a bit so it's a little bit neater. Alright, so this is one part of our air conditioning hose. It's had a, well, it's fallen apart here in the middle, so I'm just going to see what I can do to, if I can fix this up at all, make it a bit neater. try. Let's cut some of this excess off, and might just try wrapping some electrical tape around it, and I'll probably go over it with a bunch of duct tape, I think. It's not pretty, but should do the trick. You can see now where I've got my hose running, and it goes all the way back to there, to the airbox, and we've got the that bottom or that vent will move into here when I put all the dash back together. Hey guys, so along with the AC vents, I've just whacked the steering column nuts back in just to support the steering column. I'm gonna take this for a drive tomorrow, and I'm just gonna keep an eye on this the end of the speedo gear, see when that stops spinning. Well, if it stops spinning, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna take this for a drive tomorrow, and gonna check out that speedo gear, see what that does, see if it stops moving. Go from there. I'm gonna finish this off there now. So until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, and I'll see you later. Cheers, guys.